Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install VS Code and the language extension you need, then open your project folder so files map to workspace features. Once done, open the integrated terminal and run a quick build or interpreter command to confirm the environment. Make sure to enable settings sync and add 1 to 3 focused extensions, a linter, a formatter, and a debugger, so you immediately get feedback and consistency across machines. Now you build the core workflow, configure formatter and linter rules, enable format on save and set editor. Tab size so code is consistent. Once configured, rely on IntelliSense, go to definition and multi-cursor edits to move faster, open the problems panel frequently to catch issues. Then set up launch. JSON for debugging sessions and tasks. JSON to automate build and test commands, so you can run repeatable tasks with a single key press. This is where VS Code becomes a true productivity engine. Finish by enforcing code quality. Add pre-commit hooks or format on commit, then run a final build and your test suite before pushing code. Once done, use the Git view for commits and live share for collaborative debugging, and store workspace settings so teammates replicate your environment. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by selectively disabling extensions, check the output and developer tools logs, and revert recent settings changes. This targeted approach usually isolates the culprit and gets you back to coding quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.